Hello friends, welcome back to Joe's Focus Marine Agency channel. We are looking at a security cabin that is fabricated at our site. As requested by the customer, the size of the cabin is 4 by 4 feet and height is 8 feet. This cabin is going to be placed at the entrance of a corporate company. As the size of the cabin is small, we have taken raw material and customized it. Usually, we give thermocol insulation and cover it with wooden panel. But we are not providing AC in this cabin, so we are using glass wool material as insulation. This material is very light, durable and acts as an excellent thermal insulator. So we always change our materials used in the project as per our customer requirements and give a perfect output as expected. This is the completely finished security cabin with all facilities provided. So please contact Focus Marine Agency for any type of fabricated projects like mobile toilets, restaurants, office and security cabins. We take all kind of orders and it will be done with complete perfection. Do like, subscribe and share our video to support us. Thank you. See you in next video.